Hello, welcome to this vlog. This is Anis, my sweet and smart friend. So today we're basically going to go to different places in London, and they're basically landmarks in London, and use them to explain a few fluid dynamics concepts. So yeah, let's go. The plan is to take a Santander bike from here to Chelsea Football Club because Anis needs something from there. Santander bikes are very common in London actually. They're found pretty much all over London, at least central London. And we'll explain a fluid dynamics concept using a bicycle. So yeah. Alright, we're going to show you how rotational flow is using the cycle. Rotational flow is when the particles of the fluid are all rotating about their own axis in addition to other movement. So for example, you have this happy face of the cycle, right? Anis is going to take a tour of this lane basically and come back, alright? And now, can you go a little more forward, Anis? Okay, stop. Okay, now what we see is basically when the tire has turned, the particle, that is basically a fluid particle, okay? The fluid particle also has rotated, right? This is basically what is called as rotational motion. Now that you've got an idea of how rotational flow works, you find rotational flows in bathtub vortex, like the swirls you see in your bathtub, there, those are rotational flows. Now, before we study what irrotational flows are, we'll go to the Chelsea Football Club, like us. Do you know anybody here?
Yes, I know this guy.
Okay, who's this?
That's his name.
Oh, great, you know so much. Okay, next.
I know this guy.
Alright. Whom do you support?
This guy.
Oh,
But
okay.
we need to use
Is it because you reached it? So this is the place where we'll actually show you what irrotational flow looks like. Now let's see what irrotational flow looks like. Irrotational flow is when the individual particles are not rotating around their axis. You see in London Eye, when the Ferris wheel actually rotates, the cabins don't rotate along with it. They stay as it is, right? This is basically irrotational flow. And basically this concept is used to model water waves, flow over aerofoils and so on. So yeah, we're heading to the London Eye now. Right now we're going to our final destination, which is
Cafe Historical.
yeah, and we show you the final fluid dynamics concept that we want to show you. Pretty much everybody goes through it almost most of the time, but we'll explain it to you why it happens, alright? Okay. So now we're going to show you a very irritating phenomenon that happens to us most of the time. So this is called the Coanda Effect. The Coanda Effect is basically the tendency of the fluid jet to stay attached to the convex surface. Instead of going like a straight streamline, it gets attached to the surface of the glass. Suppose the fluid leaves in a straight manner, what happens is the air molecules below the stream gets dragged along with it due to viscosity. So now there's a low pressure region below the stream. What this means is that the stream experiences a force from high pressure region to low pressure region. And basically this is what is known as a Coanda effect. This is something doctors deal with. So basically if you have bronchioles in your lungs, you have bronchioles in your lungs, right? If a portion of the bronchioles is constricted when there is a fork in the air passage, due to Coanda effect, there will be maldistribution of air. So this is pretty much a huge issue. So yeah, that was today's vlog and we had a lot of fun. Hope you guys had fun as well. Alice, something?
No?
Okay.
See you soon.
Bye.